In Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray announced that Maharashtra board examinations, which is class 10th and class 12th examination for the Maharashtra board, they've been postponed. In Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal requested the central board and the central government to postpone class 12th examination and do away with class 10th board examination this year. So there is an unprecedented surge in coronavirus cases across the country. For nearly 30 lakh students, these are uncertain times. There is a growing chorus for board examinations to be cancelled. The Central Board of Secondary Education, however, maintains that adequate systems are in place and they are in a position to conduct these examinations. But students, a large number of them are scared, parents and teachers extremely apprehensive.
For nearly 30 lakh students, these are uncertain times. An unprecedented health crisis has cast a shadow on their futures. With the second coronavirus wave sweeping through the country, chorus is growing for board exams to be cancelled.
6 लाख बच्चे दिल्ली में CBSE के एग्ज़ाम में बैठेंगे। 1 लाख के करीब टीचर्स इसमें शामिल होंगे। ये बहुत बड़े हॉटस्पॉट्स बन सकते हैं। बच्चों की ज़िंदगी, बच्चों की सेहत, बच्चों का स्वास्थ्य हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरी हाथ जोड़ के केंद्र सरकार से अपील है कि CBSE के एग्ज़ाम्स को कैंसिल किया जाए।
16-year-old Aryan is preparing for the test of his life. A student of GD Goenka School in Delhi, he's studying for class 10 CBSE exams that are scheduled to be held offline from May 4th.
I'm surely conflicted about giving the exams offline after this new strain has come out, and it is like a matter of conflict, because obviously it is a very risky environment around people you don't know and you know, and as we know that social distancing is hard to maintain between the students. So in that environment, it is very risky to give the exams offline.
Parents though are divided. While some want exams to be held online, others want the boards to be cancelled completely.
My only concern is, what if something happens? What if something happens during the examination time? We are not sure about anything. So naturally, totally anxious what is going to happen, because this is a career year. The year will get wasted. As a parent, it's really difficult.
How many tests are you going to get done? If there are 6 papers to be taken by the student, are they going to take 6 tests over there? I think they should really focus on the online system. That is going to be the most secured way. Otherwise, that is really going to be very stressful for not only the parents, but what we are more concerned about is basically our children,
While there is no word yet from the HRD ministry or the CBSE, the board's exam controller told India Today that all precautions are being taken for offline exams.
Now, crowd will be also less during the examination because of the number of increase of examination center. Now we are having a lesser number of students allotted to one school.
But will the exams be called off given the mass explosion of infection?
Is there a possibility that exams are going to be postponed?
साहु सर, इसको जवाब को मैं कुछ क्रिकेट टीम की तरीके से देना चाहूंगा पाकिस्तान की। इंशाल्लाह हम सब कुछ ठीक करेंगे।
For now, looks like the exams are not being postponed or cancelled. But is it worth putting the lives of millions of children at risk?
Well, definitely not just the students, but the parents. Both are worried at this point of time because there's double pressure. Not just the performance, but also the fact that you have to stay safe from COVID-19. For now, parents request that an online examination seems to be a viable option, but the question is that will the infrastructure be strong enough to conduct examinations throughout the country for CBSE students? With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.